The other day, I posted a picture on our community tab showing our stack of OSB in our trailer, and I said, this is what $1,000 looks like. So we had bought $1,000 worth of OSB to do our roof. We're working on the back of our house, making big progress. We can't wait to show you guys. A lot of you guys were saying, wow, I just checked the price and it's X amount, and it was so much higher. And you were saying, you got a deal? Yes, I listened to you guys. Everybody told me, buy now, the price is only going to go up. So I bought the wood. I got all those sheets of OSB for $38 a piece, overpriced, but we got it. $38 a piece, and within a few days, by the time I posted that picture, the price had gone up to $50 a piece. So in a matter of a few days. I was hesitant to buy the wood at $38 a piece, but I'm glad we did, because you're right. This same OSB right now, $50 a sheet, going up fast. But don't worry, it'll come down eventually. It's just something that I guess we have to work through. I just wanted to make a note of that, how much more expensive that is right now. And I'm glad that we bought enough to hopefully finish the whole roof that we're working on and be done with it once and for all. So now, you guys think that the price of this OSB is a tragedy. You should see the tragedy we had. Now, I've been throwing wood off the roof right here onto the ground. And without realizing it, when I was working on the roof, I threw some wood off and it landed on something special. Do you guys remember? Some of you will. Well, a while back we were showing you some cool stuff that we found on the property while we were doing some excavating work. And we found a glass unicorn, which is really neat because we love unicorns. And we thought it was really special, really cool. Well, we had it sitting out here on the back deck. And the wood dropped on it. That is what is left of our unicorn. I mean, it just got ruined. Now, Belle was really devastated. This made her sad. Not devastated, but she was sad.
Yeah.
She knows this stuff is just stuff, but you know what I mean. It upset her because she really liked it. She likes things like this, little knickknacks. So I felt bad, and I said, I have to make this right. And Ashley and I went online, did some shopping, and we got a little surprise for her. So Belle, you want to show what we got for you?
Mm-hmm. I love it. New and shiny.
Check that out. This one's actually pink glass, which is the same color as your special doorknob, right?
Yeah.
That's gonna look so pretty in your room.
Mm-hmm. They'll match.
So anyway, I just wanted to share because I thought it was kind of cool and made her happy, made us happy. The reason we got this one is because we know she likes the pink, matches her stuff, and it was the only one like it on eBay, and they have a variety of clear glass ones. We saw a blue one, saw like a brown one. The pink one really stood out. So that's that. We're going to show you this project very soon. We're almost done. We just got a couple more things to do. The real reason I made this video is because I want to show you something on the other part of the house. Here we are, the windows. We've had a lot of people asking us about our Geldwin windows that we installed. This one right here was defective in that the latch wouldn't unlock. We couldn't get the window to open. All the mechanisms worked fine, but it's hard to explain. Let me show you. So these windows have a hook like this. And the hook goes into this slot, and in this slot is this little piece right here. And there's actually two of them, right there and right there. And when you lock it, it slides up and down. See how it's sliding? So it's basically would slide up in here, locks it, and then you slide it down to unlock it. But mine wasn't sliding down far enough, so it wouldn't come off. It was still catching this metal. We filed a claim in December. They finally came to look at the windows, and they did get it fixed. It took a little bit of effort. I'm not going to go into the whole ordeal. Basically, they took off the bottom sill, or you know, they took off the bottom trim. They took off this side trim piece, and they refastened the latching mechanism 1/8 of an inch lower basically, so that when it was down, it would be down far enough to clear this latch. So it works. It works now. It's not perfect. There's still some adjustments that need to be made because it rubs on the bottom. There's something just wrong with this window, but I said it's fine, we'll leave it. All I'll say about my experience is that next time we'll probably be buying Andersen windows or a different brand. I'm not going to go with Jeld-Wen for the rest of the house. There was just too many problems with quality service. It's going to be a little backlit, but here's the finished locking mechanism. We'll lock that up. It works properly. We have our brass hardware, black windows, looks very cool. It's all finished. These windows are picture windows, they don't open. This one up here does not open. These two open. Well guys, that's all the updates for now. Since we're in the middle of a big roof project, we're going to keep working, but I'm going to leave you with a little odd job that popped up in the middle of the roofing project, and that is more chimney demolition. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me clean out some more chimney, some more bricks from our attic, getting that chimney down little by little, taking weight off the house, making it easier to jack up. It's going to be awesome. Here, let me take the bucket for a minute. I'll put some crumbs in it.
Why is all that around it?
What?
Why is all that around it?
I don't know. They were trying to insulate around the chimney, I guess.
Why would you do that? That's dumb.
I don't want to make it too heavy for you here. Here's an old attic door.
And not have to go up and down, up and down.
As long as we don't make a big mess.
It's all the same in the end.
We're getting there. Okay guys, so this is where we've made it, down in the chimney. This is the back side of our chimney, and we were up in the attic, and we saw this thing. And this is where those newspapers are. I think the date on them said 1993. Not super old, but pretty old, been there a while. That's about as far as I can make it right now, but we have from here to the floor. You can see I'm about 5'10", 5'9". We have all that space, my height, of bricks to go. And it's kind of interesting. It's all blocked out with wood with this panel board over it, but it's kind of in a boxed in thing. So I probably won't be able to get the rest of the chimney until we get into this, which means much, much later. I don't feel like climbing down inside of a narrow chute to finish that up. So eventually this whole corner will be gone. We're going to use this space for something else, which I think is going to be pretty awesome. And from this view, you wouldn't even know there's a chimney here. This is just our living room and going into the bathroom, and it's just in that little nook behind the wall there. Now I'm just going to say again that this chimney doesn't go anywhere. It's not used for anything. It serves no purpose. There's no fireplace. And there's no appliances that use it, so it's safe to take out, and we can use that space for something better. It's also going to take weight off the house, so it's easier to level the floors because the chimney is a large mass that could be pulling on some of the structure. I think it's mostly free of the structure, but it does push on some boards here and there, and it can cause that friction when you're trying to lift the house. So I'm just going to be glad to get it out of here. And while this job might seem out of order, it's because we're in the middle of the roof project. It seemed like a good time to get in there and get some more chimney work done. But we're going to show you the rest of the project later on. Okay guys, that's all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Quick update, and we'll have a longer update coming soon. We can't wait to show you the progress that we're making on this house. Ashley's working hard out here getting the yard cleaned up because boy, do we make a mess.
It's like a constant, never-ending mess.
Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
See ya.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know. Hey, Belle?
Yeah.
I think you got something on your face.
I do?